Lilies are elegant flowering plant known for their vibrant color, elegant shape and soft fragrances. As summer approaches, gardeners and flower enthusiasts eagerly anticipate the blossoming of these captivating blooms. Whether you prefer the bold and vibrant hues, the fragrant blossom or the exotic charm, there is a lily variety to suit every gardener's preference. With a wide variety of lily species available, choosing the right type to grow in your garden can be an exciting task. Check out some of the popular type of summer lily flowers to grow, each offering its unique charm and beauty. So hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel Swaroopa Diaries with one more new video. Friends, this video will help you to choose the perfect lilies to elevate your summer garden. Let's dig in and find your new favorites. So guys, that's all for today. We sincerely hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more new videos. Thanks once again. Have a nice day.